Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we have a problem with that BMW 3 Series, but that video will relate to almost any BMW equipped with a traction control system. Our traction light is on after the battery was dead and we had to jump start the car. So I'll explain what needs to be done and how to reset it without having any computers. The bad part is it might take you a while to do that, and I'll explain why. Sometimes it will be immediate, sometimes you will have to let the car sit overnight and it will fix itself. Now, we have quite a few videos on that BMW guys, we already made quite a few, but if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for you. As I said, it had a dead battery, couldn't start it, so we used a jump starter, and now all its hidden traction control light is on. Now the first thing that you could do, okay, is get your steering wheel, turn all the way to the left and then all the way to the right. Okay, and we were lucky, our light is gone. And why is that guys? This is due to the fact that when the battery is dead, the steering angle sensor needs to calibrate itself, needs to rewarm all the way to the left, all the way to the right position. So by turning the steering wheel all the way to the left, okay, you activate half of the process. When you turn to the right, okay, the other half. And when you bring it back to center position, everything should be fine. If it doesn't work, do that about 5 times. If that doesn't work again guys, just get the car, okay, in, drive or reverse, and just drive it, okay, drive it around the block. By driving it a little bit, what could happen, okay, is actually it's going to initialize the ABS sensors. The ABS wheel speed sensors are part of the traction control system. As a result, they need to be initialized as well. In our case, they're fine. They didn't forget what they were supposed to remember, so that's perfectly fine. But otherwise, you have to drive the car around the block for probably less than half a mile, and it will rewarm all the ABS sensors. Steering angle sensor, just turn left to the right. ABS sensor, just drive it. Now, if that doesn't turn it off, what you have to do, put the car in park, turn the key off or put it in gear, you know, if it's manual, turn the key off, let it stay overnight with a completely charged battery. When you start it next morning, after about 12 hours, your traction light should be off. If it's on, there is a problem. And that problem, the only way to figure out what's wrong with it is with a computer. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.